What's up everybody? Today we are going to review this T60 rechargeable headlamp. It's a super bright LED headlamp with three 3000 milliamp batteries and a beam distance of over 5,900 feet. It features motion sensing technology so you can turn it on and off with just tapping. Plus it has 5 lighting modes and a zoomable beam for both wide and long distance lighting. Built with IPX7 waterproofing, it's tough enough for any outdoor adventure. Let's test it out and see how well it performs. Alright, so we got a rechargeable headlamp. What is this good for? Construction, garage work, mechanical work when you're looking in the engine, when you're going camping, maybe if you're a student and you walk home at night, this is great. This is an extremely large LED and lens. Usually the ones we have like 3-4, but it's kind of annoying because you have to press the buttons at the top. One is good. Let's go and test this out. Now this rotates, and when you pull this out, it just adjusts the length of the beam. Right. On the back here, powerful battery. It's rechargeable right here by USB Type-C, and guess what? You can even charge your power bank with this side. This is the latest light. Let's go see what it looks like outside. So it is pretty pitch black, as you can see. The only light we have is from the inside of the house. Let's go and turn the light on right now. Look at that beam. That is an interesting light beam. It's pretty perfect circle, isn't it? So now if we push it out, you see how it's focused in? It goes even further out. That is pretty wild. So again, big, small, big, small. Now if we press this again, we'll get a more of a subtle one. So if you're walking and you don't want to wake everybody up, this will be it. And then we press it again, and then we get a strobe light, and then off, and then again a big one. So I'm going to be using this one. So as you can see, extremely cool little light, and I do like that it's actually a circle because it's focused in. And let's say you want to go further out, you just pull it out, and then you can see a lot further ahead, almost like a bat light. Right, so let me show you the motion sensor mode. So the motion sensor activates by tapping it like so, and then when you're done, you simply tap it again. So the motion sensor is on when you hold this for 2 seconds, and again, see that? So if you want to turn it off, you hold it for 2 more seconds, and then that's going to turn on the actual mode. So this is a T60 LED headlamp. It's got a telescopic zoom, charges by Type-C, or 5 lighting modes. It's IPX7, fully waterproof, charges within 6 hours.